Daddy, what do we got going here on Tim's Hornet?
Well, here's the old starter.
The horny Hornet.
We didn't think it was the problem at first when we fixed it. But come to find out, it is.
What was part of the problem?
Yeah, so we got a really nice
Power Master.
Oh yeah, absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. But had an issue out of the box. I had to re-tap. I got to finish because the threads weren't perfect.
Of course not. And you had to reclock it too, right?
Yep, reclocked.
So we're gonna reclock. Got it reclocked. We're gonna hook up the wires because what was in there was a chintzy cheapy mini starter.
Yeah.
But all right.
And the next time you see me, I should be washing my hands and starting a car.
God, I hope so.
I know, right? It's been a long, long week.
And it's only Thursday before lunch.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, boys and girls, remember, wash your hands and eat your vegetables.
And in December, gift wrap your member.
That's right.
Just in December, though. Raw dog it the rest of the year.
If you love her, lube her.
Hey, look, it cranks. Did the fuel pump go? Are you hearing the fuel pump?
I'm not hearing any fuel pump.
All right, start checking shit. But hey, it turns over now.
At the drop of a hat, it turns over.
Yeah.
Ready?
Just so that you're aware, there's an electrical issue from the relay right here going to the fuel pump. I don't have time. I'm absolutely swamped, but the car runs. It runs beautifully. It really, really does. There's no issues. As you can hear, it's still running.
Yeah.
But I would definitely recommend, if the gentleman buys it, have him trailer it, because I would want not.
Oh, wait, it is being trailered.
But
sure.
it's running. It's running.
Okay.
So no issues. Okay. I thank you for your time, sir, and we'll let you go.